Importify Honest Review. Watch before using. Importify is a powerful dropshipping tool designed for entrepreneurs looking to streamline product imports and automate their e-commerce workflow. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other major platforms, Importify simplifies the process of finding and importing products from popular suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, and more. One standout feature is its one-click import system, allowing you to quickly source products without the hassle of copying data manually. You can also customize product titles, descriptions, and images before they go live, ensuring your store maintains a professional and unique look. Importify was made for those who want to scale their online business efficiently, whether you're a beginner or an experienced store owner. It caters to entrepreneurs seeking a time-saving, reliable solution to expand their product catalog. Additionally, its automatic order fulfillment feature reduces manual errors by helping you process orders directly through the supplier in just a few clicks. Another noteworthy feature is the wide range of suppliers it supports, giving you access to diverse product categories. This ensures you can always find trending, high-demand items to stay competitive. Furthermore, Importify provides valuable profit analysis tools, helping you set the right price points for maximum profitability. Combined with its easy integration and user-friendly interface, it's an excellent tool for anyone serious about dropshipping. However, it's not without limitations. Importify doesn't offer a free plan, and while its pricing is reasonable, beginners on a tight budget might find the lack of a trial challenging. Additionally, while the tool is great for importing products, it doesn't offer built-in marketing or advanced inventory management features, so you may need supplementary apps to handle those aspects. In conclusion, Importify is a must-have tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs who value speed, efficiency, and a seamless product import process. It's perfect for automating repetitive tasks, reducing errors, and focusing on scaling your business. Before you invest, ensure you're clear on its features and limitations to avoid surprises. For many, it's an invaluable asset, but it's important to weigh whether it meets your specific business needs. Importify is a solid choice for streamlining your dropshipping workflow. And if you're ready to optimize your time and focus on growth, it's worth considering.